In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple product with WooCommerce in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to WooCommerce or looking for a quick refresher, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through each step clearly and effectively so you can get your product live on your site in no time. Let's begin by heading over to wordpress.com. This is your one-stop shop for building and managing your website, offering all the tools you'll need. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in. Simply click the Login button to access your dashboard. Make sure you have your login details ready. With these, you'll bypass any unnecessary holds and jump right into the setup. After logging in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, which is essentially the command center for your website management tasks. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your current products are displayed, and where we'll be adding a new one. Next, you'll want to click on Add New Product. This button is the gateway to creating a fresh product listing on your WooCommerce site. It's straightforward, so just click and let's get started on filling out the necessary details to bring your product to life. Now comes the crucial part. Adding the product details. This is where you input essential information such as the product name, description, price, and any other specifics about the product you're offering. Write a clear and compelling title that accurately reflects your product, and ensure the description is enticing yet informative. The better your descriptions, the more appealing your product will be to potential customers. Don't forget to include images that best represent your product. Visuals are a powerful component in online sales. After you've double-checked all the details and you're satisfied with your entry, the final step is to click Publish. This action will make your product live on your site, ready for eager customers to discover. Make sure everything is just as you want it to be, because once it's published, it's available for the world to see. And just like that, you've successfully created a simple product with WooCommerce. It's a process that can become second nature with a bit of practice. Remember, creating an enticing product listing can greatly influence a buyer's decision. So take your time to ensure it's detailed and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and informative tutorials. We'll see you next time.